Meme coins are back, and one undiscovered token could be the next big thing. Today we're diving into 34 meme coins, ranking them from hidden gems to viral sensations, uncovering which ones could explode in 2025. Are you ready to see the next potential 1,000 times? Chapter 1. Market Setup. Meme coins remain the easiest entry point for retail investors in crypto. They are social, viral, and highly community-driven, making them perfect for anyone new to this space. Bitcoin recently dipped under $110,000, but analysts are forecasting a strong up-only phase in 2025. Meme coins thrive during these periods because they combine storytelling, virality, and cultural relevance. Unlike traditional assets, they can deliver massive returns quickly if the community gets behind them. Before we start ranking, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Always do your own research and consult a licensed advisor before investing. Chapter 2. The Giants with Limited Upside. Pepe, market cap $4 billion. Pepe is the ultimate cultural mascot of Memecoins. Its massive community and iconic branding make it highly recognizable. Pepe has got a 10 times potential. While it is reliable and well-known, its large size limits explosive growth, meaning it will not deliver the extreme upside of smaller, more viral coins. S&P 6,900, SPX, market cap $1,200,000,000. SPX represents a modern finance meme tied to the S&P 500. It resonates with millennials, Gen Y, and Gen Z, who have historically struggled to build wealth through traditional stock markets. SPX has a 20 to 30 times potential. Its narrative bridges the gap between crypto culture and traditional finance, but the billion-dollar market cap limits its maximum upside compared to smaller meme coins. MSTR, market cap $1,370,000,000. This coin represents MicroStrategy's blockchain investments and is tied to Michael Saylor's reputation. MSTR has a 5x potential. Even with its iconic status, it lacks a mascot and community virality. It is a solid TradFi crypto play, but not a high-growth meme coin. Pudgy Penguins coin, market cap of $2 billion. Pudgy Penguins has clean branding, a loyal community, and visual appeal that make it shareable and fun. Pudgy Penguins have a 10 times potential. It can grow steadily, but large cap stability prevents massive multipliers. Bonk, market cap $2 billion. Solana's Dogecoin is tied to the ecosystem rather than pure virality. Bonk has got a 5 to 10 times potential. Its community is active, but upside is limited compared to smaller, high-virality meme coins. Chapter 3. The Hidden Midcaps. Brett, market cap in the hundreds of millions. Part of the Boys Club comic series, Brett is the secondary character to Pepe and has a dedicated following. Brett has a 10 to 20 times potential, perfect for mid-cap investors seeking solid upside without extreme risk. Momo, market cap in the hundreds of millions. The first female Shiba Inu coin, Momo, stands out in a male-dominated space. Its community is loyal and consistently engaged. Momo has a 30 to 50 times potential. If the community continues to rally, this coin could deliver massive returns. GigaChad, market cap mid-level, fitness and masculinity-themed meme coin. Recent weakness in the community push has limited growth, but a revival could drive strong gains. GigaChad has got a 20 to 30 times potential. Its success depends entirely on renewed viral adoption. Blub, market cap mid-level, fish-themed coin on the Sui chain. Benefited from a previous Sui meme season, but future success depends on ecosystem performance. Blub has 10 times potential, solid upside, but ecosystem dependency is key. Fight, market cap smaller mid, politics-driven Trump meme coin. Growth relies on viral news cycles and community engagement. Fight has a 10 times potential, niche but worth monitoring for investors following political memes. Flocky, market cap smaller mid. Elon's Shiba Inu meme coin, older hype, and a less active community limit growth. Flocky has a 5 to 10 times potential. Revival efforts could boost it, but currently, momentum is modest. Chapter 4. Movement and shock value coins. DJI 6930, market cap $20 million. mascot-driven Shiba Inu called DAO, combining Doge with the Dow Jones Index, aims to flip the $21 trillion Dow Jones market. DJI 6930 has a 1,000 times potential. Narrative and mascot adoption dominate fundamentals, and even small adoption could create massive returns. 9 to 5. Market cap $1,500,000. Anti-work cult coin appealing to lifestyle dissatisfaction. 9 to 5 has a 100 times potential. Simple, relatable, and shareable stories drive rapid viral growth. House coin. Market cap $16 million. Real-world assets have turned into a meme. One coin equals one house. Housecoin has a 50 times potential plus. Relatability and visual storytelling make it attractive for new retail investors. Asscoin. Market cap under $1 million. Pure shock value viral coin. Asscoin has a 100 times potential plus. Highly speculative, but explosive if it goes viral. Community adoption is critical. Feetcoin. Market cap $140,000. Fetish niche coin with a small but dedicated following. Feetcoin has a 100 to 1,000 times potential. Extreme risk and reward, but highly shareable. I will retire. Market cap $4 million. Lifestyle coin focuses on financial freedom. I will retire has a 50 to 100 times potential. Aspirational narrative and viral adoption make it a strong contender for growth. Chapter 5. The Cat Coin Wars. PopCat. Market cap $250 million. Fun, viral, and shareable cat coins. PopCat has got 20 times potential. Its virality and community engagement keep it relevant. Toshi. Market cap around $250 million. Also known as Coinbase Cat. Popular and widely recognized, but the upside is moderate. Toshi has a 10 times potential. Mog. Market cap $500 million. Established cat meme coin with loyal followers. Mog has a 10 to 20 times potential. Steady, community-driven, but already moderately large. Kite coin. Market cap $146,000. Historic cat rival to Doge from 2013. Tiny but enormous upside if rediscovered. Kite coin has a 1,000 times potential plus. A true moonshot coin for risk-tolerant investors. LOL coin. Market cap $4,500,000. The first ever Memecoin from 2011. Nostalgia-driven and highly viral. LOL coin has a 50 times potential. Its history gives credibility and cultural appeal. Chapter 6. Cult, nostalgia, and niche memes. Millennial coin. Market cap approximately $1.09 million. This coin taps into early internet nostalgia, drawing from MSN Messenger, Tamagotchi, and MTV. Its unique throwback appeal connects with millennials and Gen Z. Millennial coin has a 50 times potential. The combination of cultural relevance and limited supply makes it a strong niche play. F-coin. While historically associated with the 2018 exchange and trans fee mining, there is no verified F-coin with a current market cap or active trading. For ranking purposes, potential is uncertain, and it cannot be considered a strong contender. F-coin has a 10 times potential. Turbo. Market cap modest. Developed using GPT-4, Turbo emphasizes fairness, accessibility, and community-driven growth. Its tax-free structure and renounced contract make it popular among meme enthusiasts. Turbo has a 5 to 10 times potential. Community adoption will dictate its trajectory. Pump. Market cap over $1 billion. Pump.fun has active trading volume, but weak fundamentals. Pump. Fun has a 2 to 5 times potential. While popular, it is unlikely to produce extreme returns. WOJ. Market cap approximately $25.95 million. Based on the famous Wojak meme, this Ethereum-based coin is culturally relevant but diluted by clones. WOJ has a 5 to 10 times potential. Moderate growth is possible with strong community engagement. Lobu. While a viral plush toy mascot, there is currently no official cryptocurrency associated with Lobu. Potential is 30 times. Chapter 7. Chain mascots and social stars. Abster. Market cap approximately $37.6 million. Part of the Pudgy Penguins ecosystem, Abster has evolved into a Web3 meme token integrating blockchain utility. Abster has got a 10 times potential. Its association with a recognized ecosystem supports steady, community-driven growth. Manu, market cap modest. Manu is a viral Shiba Inu Dogecoin on Ethereum, aiming to revive Memecoin enthusiasm on the ETH chain. Manu has got a 5 times potential. Popularity relies on social media virality and influencer support. Chapter 8, The Boys Club Trio, Pepe, market cap over $4.27 billion. The main mascot of the Boys Club, Pepe, is culturally significant with a massive community. Pepe has got a 10 times potential. Its size limits extreme upside, but it remains a reliable top-tier meme coin. Brett, market cap approximately $4.7 million. Brett is the secondary character to Pepe with a dedicated community. Brett has a 10 to 20 times potential. It offers mid-cap investors a strong narrative play with meaningful upside. Andy, market cap approximately $3.6 million. As the third Boys Club character, Andy's unique branding and community engagement give it high growth potential. Andy has got a 50 to 100 times potential. For risk-tolerant investors, this is one of the most explosive picks in the ecosystem. In the meme coin world, winners often come from unexpected niches, fueled by strong communities, engaging narratives, and viral appeal. Coins like DJI 6930 and Kitecoin offer massive upside, while 9to5, AS, Feetcoin, and I Will Retire provide solid, smaller returns. The Boys Club trio, Pepe, Brett, and Andy, demonstrates how mascots can drive long-term growth. Meme coins thrive on Ethereum, Solana, and other chains, giving investors chances to ride viral trends. High-risk, high-reward dynamics demand careful selection and awareness. Which meme coin do you think could explode next? Drop your pick, like, and subscribe for more crypto insights.